Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to delete all chats in Instagram. So let's get started. At first let's get into Instagram app. See, here it is. Now we need to click on this message icon on the top right corner. So let's tap on this and we'll be able to see all of our messages here. Here we can see two chats, and if we tap on this for a while we can see it is not selected, but we can see this delete option. Simply tap on delete to delete the entire chat with this person, and if you want to delete the chat of other person as well, simply tap on this and click on delete. Finally click on delete, and you can do the same with each of the contacts or the person you want to delete the chat from. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.